Hi, I'm Tyler Bellotti, and welcome to the 9th Wiki Jing video for the Introduction to Python class. In this video, we are actually going to talk and fiddle around a little bit with dictionaries. Now, what's a dictionary in Python, you might ask? Well, list of different keywords with a value attached to them. Well, what does that mean? Well, what it means is that you can have something like cow in your list and pig in your list, and they will have a value set to the cow and pig. Let's say mammal. Oops. Mammal. I think actually there's two M's in mammal. And pig will be set to mammal as well. So if you ever need to call upon whatever cow is, whatever its value, or whatever its value is that you set for it, you can call upon cow and it'll print that it's a mammal if you want to print whatever it is. So basically, it just allows you to write down a big list of different things and then have them set into separate categories or give them a separate value. Well, let's look at one I made myself. This one was actually for our class. We had to take a whole bunch of stuff, a whole bunch of different classes. I used the class numbers inside a CSV file, and we had to choose the ones that were auto and FYE and make a dictionary that had all of them in it. So now, this is it. Big old dictionary. We made it a dict by saying, well, dict here equals, and then obviously you need the braces. And then you go, there's your key, colon, and the value that belongs to that key. Now the values can all be the same, but the keys cannot. If I were to go auto has a value of this number, and auto has the value of this number, it would override it with the last one. So only this way, by putting the keys first, and then the value after that's attached to it, can we actually give the key a value. And of course you end it with the brace, curly brace. Now, just some little simple printing for this. We're going to print the whole thing. Oops. And then we're going to print, this is what type of class number 2688 is, which is an auto, and then print dict 2688. And let's do it for one of the FEE classes. Well, let's try it. Run module. Here we go. It'll print the whole thing. That's our entire dictionary. And now this is what type of class 12688 is, and it's an auto class. This is what type of class 12424 is, and it's an FYE class. So if you ever need to find whatever is referenced to your key, you can easily find out what the value was. And let's go back. Now there are a bunch of other different commands you can do. You can do stuff like dict, and we'll choose 12688 equals, and we can set it to something else. Let's say nurse. Print dict. Oops. Don't want to forget this. And let's try this out. There we go. After the FYE, we told it to print what the new value was for 12688 after we changed it to nurse, and here we go. It printed nurse. There is a whole bunch of other stuff you can do. You can also delete the dict in order to delete the whole thing, but if you just want to empty it out, you can do dict.clear in order to just clear the dictionary and make it basically dict equals this. It'll be a completely empty dictionary with nothing in it. So basically you make a big old list with a whole bunch of different assorted values tacked on each thing in the list. It's useful for a lot of different things. Well, that's all for this video. Goodbye. See you next time.